Yo, what up guys, welcome back to Patched.
Welcome back.
Yes, and today we're going to be reviewing the X-Raypad Aqua Speed Pad.
Okay, yes, and it's interesting.
Obviously it's speed, it's for fast players that live on the edge when they're gaming. Yeah, so we've been playing with this. It's going for 16 bucks on sale right now, which is insanely cheap. Normally it's what, like 26 bucks?
Yeah, it's like 26 bucks, and this is the extra large size, which is plenty enough space for my right hand. Now these guys, I mean, for 15 bucks while this guy's on sale, that's kind of crazy.
That is very cheap.
That's kind of crazy, but let's get into what you're getting for that $15, because that's what's important.
So on the bottom of the mouse pad, obviously you have rubber.
Who would have seen that coming?
Oh my god, I'm very shocked, right? You get good grip, it's not moving around or anything, so you don't really have to worry about that. And around the edge of the mouse pad, you have some stitching, and they're actually very, very tightly woven.
Yeah.
So there's really no fraying or anything. I haven't really experienced anything.
Tightly woven, fairly low profile as well. So if your mouse is gonna go over it, you're kind of boned if your mouse goes over it regardless, you know? But hey, you know?
I wouldn't say it's completely flush with the mouse pad, but maybe like half a millimeter up. So you definitely do notice it a little bit, but I don't think it'll mess up your shot that much, which is a good thing. All right, moving on to the actual surface. Obviously, this is a cloth mouse pad, and I really like it because it's all black.
Yeah, it's all black. It's got a good bit of padding on there, which is nice. It's actually pretty comfortable for the wrist, and your wrist can sort of glide across it as well, because you're gonna be on there. If you're gonna be flicking and all that, you're gonna have your wrist moving around on here. It's a very, very tightly woven centerpiece on here as well, which is nice. And waterproof.
Yes.
Which is what we read in the title, and we were like, there's no way.
I don't believe it.
There's no way.
I don't believe it. But we tested it.
It's true.
We tested it. We put water on this mouse pad. So there's mouse pads that say, you know, water resistant, you know, and they kind of are. But then, you know, if you spill water or any type of juice or something on the mouse pad, and you try to wipe it with like a paper towel or something, some of it always goes into the mouse pad. Yeah, it seeps in. You can see it. You can see the water spot.
Blows that area too for a little bit.
Yeah, and obviously you don't want to play on that. You want to dry it a little bit. But this is completely waterproof, which is really cool.
Yeah, we tried it. It just, all the water just beat it up at the top, and you just sort of like, all you had to do is just like, you know, get it off like that.
Yeah.
And none of it seeped in. It's completely dry, which is crazy.
Obviously, I don't think you should be drinking soda right next to your computer and, you know, monitor and stuff. But if you are and you spill it, you should be better than if you were using a, I guess, not waterproof mouse pad.
Exactly. Yeah. Or if you're really sweaty and you're just, you know, you're just
you're sweating.
you're Dorito dust and you're just drooling all over your mouse pad, dude. You're good.
God. Yeah, so as far as the actual performance of this mouse pad goes, it's very, very fast. I wouldn't say it's the fastest that I've felt, but it's definitely very quick and very, very smooth. Like, look at this. Like, this is the Skull Mini with the PTFE feet, and it just glides right along, right? And for comparison, I would say it's a little bit slower than the Thor mouse pad, and I would say it's slower than the glass mouse pad that we have. Yeah.
But in comparison to the other cloth mouse pads we use, this is definitely above the level of just being a regular cloth mouse pad.
Yes, definitely.
You know, because that was a trend for many years that all cloth mouse pads, like you'd see ones from Corsair, from Logitech, from all these companies, and they were all just kind of like the same. Like all of them felt the same. With this guy, it's a step ahead of the game in that, of course, and it's more equivalent to like a Thor pad. Or close to it.
All right, so wrapping things up, $16 on sale, and 26 is still like pretty damn cheap. We 100% recommend. Really nice mouse pad. It's fast, it's quality, nothing feels cheap about it. I don't really like how it says Aqua Speed on here. I feel like that's a little cheesy.
Yeah, a little cheesy, but you know, it is what it is. Yeah. I'll take it. And for 15 bucks, getting something that's well above a lot of the market in cloth mouse pads, that's a steal, honestly. So if you can get it on their website for 15 bucks, and we'll leave links in the description for that, do it for sure. It's worthwhile.
But anyways, that concludes our review of the X-Raypad Aqua Speed mouse pad. But that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys next one.
See you in the next one.